In this video, you will learn how to insert word count in Word document. If you want to check the word count without inserting it into your document, look at the bottom left corner of Word. The status bar normally shows the live word count. You can also click the word count to see additional information such as characters, paragraphs, and pages. And if you want to show the word count directly inside your Microsoft Word document, you can do it in just a few simple steps. First, place your cursor where you want the word count to appear, for example, on your cover page underneath the title. Now go to the Insert tab at the top, click Quick Parts, and then select Field. In the Field window, find and select NumWords, then click OK. Word will now insert the current word count into your document. Microsoft confirms that the NumWords field can be inserted into a document and updated when needed. If you add more text later, the number may need to be updated. Simply right-click the word count and select Update Field. You can also select the entire document with Ctrl-A and press F9 to update fields. That's it. If this quick tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.